Hello everyone, welcome back to my English speaking practice video. And today is day 26 of my challenge where I share whatever I learned or whatever I am feeling in front of camera. Yes, this is Pragati Mishra from Uttar Pradesh, and my dear friends, when I started this journey, I was very nervous that what might people think about me, how they judge me like this. So, right now, very important which I realized is that if I don't practice, I will never improve. So, I ignored my fear and started my speaking journey. Many students think that speaking in English needs memorizing grammar rules and difficult vocabularies. But in my experience, still now, I believe that. It is not learning a rule first. It is start the speaking whatever the words even it is very simple. So speaking first, then learning the rule step by step. Now, what if we say everything, whatever we are doing in our daily routine, we can express in our English words in a very simple manner using the simple sentences. So, for example, I'm waking up, I had my breakfast, then I watched some videos, and later on, I recorded video. So, like this, using simple sentences, you can start speaking your daily routines. Likewise, in the same manner, you can describe whatever you want to describe. So, hey, my dear friends, don't think that using the simple sentence initially it is an embarrassing. If you are if you are a student of any class, it means that you know some words at least, because nowadays everyone having a subject that is called English subject in their studies. So take it as a language and use it whatever the words coming in your mind. So wisely use them to express your feelings. And I would like to tell you that, hey, my dear friends, in my previous video, I had shared basically four methods. Yes, four methods to start speaking alone. If you are alone, no friends, then don't worry. Just watch that method and which I used, and I recommend to use. I recommend to you also, because so many excuses given by people that we are alone or how can we practice English alone at that time. You can use that method. So right now I would say that if you didn't watch that video, you can start mirror practicing. For example, stand in front of mirror and describe your feeling or describe your uh, daily routine. For example, whatever going in your day and what is going to happen or what is happening in your day. So describe that, and initially, basically, when you start this method, it feels like strange, but believe me, it is very helpful to build confidence inside your mind. Because in front of mirror, we are talking to ourselves, but it's not bad, and it increases our confidence. You can try at least for 5 minutes in a day, and our goal is not to speak perfectly. We have to speak with improvement. We need improvement in our journey. And the most important thing which I already shared, that mistakes are normal, and even fluent speakers also made mistakes in their beginning. So don't feel embarrassed due to these mistakes. Yes, and if you are watching me, then you can also, if you are watching my previous video and till now also watching, so I'm also not a s- I'm not still I'm not a perfect speaker, but sometimes I forget the words, sometimes I get nervous, suddenly I for my mind goes blanks, but what if I stop? But my dear friends, I don't quit and I keep going, because improvement needs consistency. So my dear friends, I would say that start speaking today, even if for 5 minutes, okay? And it can give a big change in your confidence. It is about improvement. So hey, my dear friends, thank you so much for watching my day 26 video, and I will see you soon in my day 27 video. Till then, keep patience and start moving forward. Bye bye.